R&B sensation Rihanna reportedly plans comeback world tour after US $32 million deal with Live Nation. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Bayesian superstar Rihanna is reportedly planning a major comeback world tour after signing a whopping $32 million deal with Live Nation. Rihanna, who gave birth to her second son in August, is set to sign off on the tour as soon as she is ready to return to work. A United Kingdom media company reported that a source close to the singer said that she has been quietly planning a comeback tour after signing with Live Nation. According to the insider, they have put together a plan for a creative team to work on the world tour while she focuses on her family. Multiple international sources say in addition to the reported world tour, Rihanna is also set to release 2 new albums. Rumors say that the tour as well as the new music could come in early 2024. Rihanna announced her second pregnancy with rapper A$AP Rocky at the Super Bowl halftime show in February. Rihanna's first son was born in May 2022. Since then, Rihanna has been living the life of a mother and also taking care of her now new family. She has been off the scene for some time, so this is a well-anticipated world tour that many fans are hoping will become a reality. Rihanna's estimated net worth now stands at $1.4 billion in 2023. She became America's youngest self-made billionaire in 2022. Much of Rihanna's wealth has been attributed to her successful makeup company Fenty Beauty, which she co-owns with a French luxury retailer. Rihanna was born on February 20, 1988, and is a Barbadian singer-songwriter, businesswoman, and actress. She is widely regarded as one of the most important and prominent singers of the 21st century. After signing with Def Jam in 2005, Rihanna soon gained recognition with the release of her first studio album. With sales of over 250 million records worldwide, Rihanna is the second best-selling female artist of all time and the highest certified female artist of all time. Throughout her illustrious music career, Rihanna has achieved 40 number one singles, 32 top 10 singles in the US, and 31 top 10 entries in the UK. Her accolades include 9 Grammy Awards, 13 American Music Awards including the Icon Award, 12 Billboard Music Awards, 5 World Music Awards, 6 Guinness World Record, among many awards she has received throughout her illustrious musical career. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.